Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw a cute makeup kit together. Are you ready? Let's start drawing.
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a big rectangle. Great job! Now, on the top part, draw one small rectangle. Inside this small rectangle, draw a heart shape. So cute! Now, in the bottom part, draw 6 small circles. These are our makeup colors. Wow! This is our makeup box. Now let's draw a cotton stick. Easy peasy. Next, draw a lipstick. Nice and simple. Now draw a nail polish bottle.
La da 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 dee.
Looks amazing! On the top right, draw a makeup brush. Awesome work! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Cream color. Wow, so colorful and beautiful. Awesome job, little artists. You did amazing today. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep smiling. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye.
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.